that meeting last Wednesday. There was discussion regarding Best Arts for Kids levy, and they're going to be voting on whether we're supporting that, and I will be bringing to the July 6th workshop to just kind of get a consensus from council where you're at with that and provide you with more information on what that cost is to the taxpayers and what that includes. So you will be seeing that as part of the discussion item only, so to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down on whether we want to support. There also was a report from the Service Guidelines Task Force regarding Metro bus services. A lot of the items that were discussed did not discuss our area of transportation. It's more the services and the increase of services with the revenue that they have for Metro and other lines that were able to come on to this. There was a presentation from King County Conservation Committee. Unfortunately, we do not belong to that committee or to King County Conservation, and it's something that I want to be looking into and see the benefits for the city that we might want to be looking at. 2015 legislation update. Of course, there's not a whole lot going on. We're hoping to see some movement on the transportation packet. There was also some discussion around, I think it was Senate bill or House Bill 2156, I can't remember exactly for sure which one, on marijuana, and there's some talk about businesses that have not, or cities that have not banned marijuana retail sales in their cities. There may be possibly an opportunity to get some revenue. The amount of revenue really is not beneficial to a city our size in the locations that we have. But just something that council has not passed yet, is still being discussed. Last item I want to bring up is Sound Cities Association does quarterly networking dinner. July 1st is their next one. It's a Wednesday. It's $50 a ticket, and it's all, from the 37 cities that belong to Sound Cities Association. There's council members, mayors, and presentations there as well. But they will be meeting at the Snohomish Golf Club Banquet Center at 5:30. July 1st. If anybody is interested, the city will pay for your ticket to attend. You need to let them know so that they can get you registered. Okay. And that's all that I have with Sound Cities. Our next meeting will be July 8th. South County Area Transportation Board.
Just very briefly, there were two presentations. One was on the upcoming hot lanes for I-405 and some of the changes that will be surrounding that. I won't go into all the details, but the presentation I will circulate out to council and mayor so you can see what some of those changes are coming. The other presentation was on Sound Transit 2 and the progress that they've made with that particular bond issue, and then what they're projecting they would like to see from the legislature if Sound Transit or ST3 comes forward. That was the presentation.
Thank you. Next up, Valley Regional Fire Authority.
The board met on June 9th. We had a presentation from the finance director around the first quarter budget update. Everything is on track for the year. The board also approved the purchase of additional fire hose, which was budgeted for, and then also a new item, a used utility vehicle. It's a Ford. Yeah, just bought it. It's a 2008 Ford F550 chassis with a pumper on the back. You can probably see better what it is. But 250-gallon tank that basically allows for fighting fires in like the median along 167, parking garages, closed spaces where the engines can't get.
Mostly a brush truck. It's designed for off-road travel. So if we get a fire up on Stuck River and there's, along the river or something, we'll be able to at least supply some water to hand teams that can go in there and extinguish the fire with shovels, lashes, a little bit of water.
We bought it used from
Wyoming.
Laramie County.
I had to drive it back.
$48,000, so which is a pretty good deal.
Considering it hasn't been used much.
Yeah, it's got like 15,000 miles or something on it.
Is that including getting it from there to here?
It was significantly cheaper, yes. I think they go for like $100,000 new or something. Yeah, about for 48.
So somebody drove it. It's here?
Yes. Yes. It just arrived a couple days ago.
Are you happy with it?
I haven't seen it yet. I've seen the pictures. I did get a history of it. It was originally purchased for their wildland teams, and because they deploy in 4 to 6 man teams, it's an extra cab, not a crew cab. So they needed the 4-door version, so they ordered a 4-door version, kept that in reserve. That's why it has such few miles for an 08, and so we're basically getting a brand new rig that was used a little bit in training,
Broke it in.
and that was about it. And it sat in a covered garage, because they needed the 4-door version to deploy, so we benefit from it.
Government's been good at that.
And we benefit, you are.
And then also, not covered at the board meeting, we got an email shortly thereafter about the refunding of the bonds that were approved in 2009. So the bonds were refunded, saving us over the life of the bonds just under $1 million. So, I think it's $978,000.
And this is savings for taxpayers.
Yep.